Hello everyone, so it is extra super hot today, so I have the fan on and the window open and stuff because it is so boiling and so humid, so I am a bit of a sweaty mess. So today's video is going to be a shoe unboxing on the new Converse one-star platforms. OX in black, I believe is what they're called. I'm not like by any means a shoe connoisseur, so I have my phone in front of me with all the information and stuff, and I did a shoe unboxing years ago on a pair of Dr. Martens and that got a lot of views and people seem to like that, so I thought since I'm buying a pricier pair of shoes, that's an investment, I thought it would be fun to kind of do an unboxing. So I've literally had these about a week now and I have not touched the box. It is literally still in the packet from ASOS, so this is going to be a full review, unboxing and first impressions for you. The camera is literally on one battery right now, so fingers crossed it lasts, and I'm filming in the same setup as I did in my previous video because I quite liked that. I think the lighting was really good and you guys didn't seem to mind, so I'm filming like that again. So if you guys are excited to see my first impressions and little review on the Converse one stars, then please keep on watching. I feel like I have like dog hair on my face, which is typically my life. So I've just taken it out of the ASOS packaging and here is the box, just a plain cardboard box, and haha, the shoes are in here, so I will get them out for you. Just a little like description. I was looking at, like, I wear like the crap out of my Vans and I have the normal Converse high tops, but I really like the platformed Vans old schools, I think they're called, but they're made out of like real suede, so obviously being cruelty free, I'm not about wearing like anything that's real leather or real suede, and I kept reading up that there is a vegan pair, but I literally couldn't find them anywhere, so I was just browsing and I came across these. Oh my god, they are absolutely beautiful. Da, 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 da. Look at them, they are so nice. So I really wanted, like, I love my Vans, wear the crap out of them, and I wanted like a platform trainer because being short, I need any height that I can get. I'm literally 5'2", and I don't know, I just love chunky platforms. You guys that know me well would know that I love chunky platforms, and I found these and I thought, wow, they're really nice, and they are vegan and made with faux suede, which I had to do it. So I've got the description up here on ASOS, so I'll just read a little bit about them. So trainers by Converse, lace up fastening, I can't speak, when I read I literally screw up. Lace up fastening, padded cuff, Converse one star logo, chunky platform sole and signature geometric tread. What, I think that's this. And oh, the box has fallen. And then it's just got a description about like how they're good like basketball shoes and like sports shoes. To look after me, give a quick wipe with a damp cloth to clean for all day everyday ease. About me, faux suede looks good, just as good as the real deal. Lining is 100% textile, sole is 100% other material, and upper textile is 100% textiles, whatever that means. Just made out of fabric pretty much, but yeah, and these were prepare yourself, they were £75. So I ordered mine off of ASOS with free delivery and stuff. You can get them in a few places and they were pretty much the same price everywhere I looked, and so they are on the pricey side. However, I feel like they're a really good investment personally because I just love the look of them. Like I said, I wear the crap out of my Vans, and my Vans are just like the basic black Vans, and I think I paid like £40 for them, and I've literally had them over a year now and I wear them like almost every day when I'm not at work. They're just so easy to slip on, and I feel like these will be the same, but I think I'll go for them even more because I love the look even better. So just I will be trying them on as well for you guys and showing you guys what they look like on, and comfort wise I'll let you know how they are, but I just love the look of them. So the faux suede here is really soft and really velvety. Like, I just think it feels really well made. I love obviously the little star logo on the side, which is pretty much like a Converse, and it's got a really lovely big sturdy chunky white platform. It's got Converse All-Star written on the back to show that it's authentic, Converse written on the inside, and just basic black laces. But I really like the look of these. I think they will go so well with loads of outfits, and oh, I freaking love the look of them. I'm so happy with them upon first impression. So yeah, I am going to try them on for you guys now, and I will let you know once I've tried them on my exact thoughts, and I will come back to you. So I hope you guys can hear me okay, but upon first impressions of trying them on, I feel like they're really comfortable. The sizing, I'd say, fits perfectly. I'm a UK size 6, which I think is like an 8 in Australian sizes, and yeah, they fit perfectly. I'm not wearing socks with them at the moment, but I feel like if I wore socks they'd fit even better, and I just really love the look of these. I feel like they literally fit perfectly, and yeah, I'm just super happy with them. Yeah, like they just feel really comfy, even with the platform. So yeah, this is what they look like on, and yeah, I'm super happy with them, and I definitely so far feel like they're worth £75. I mean, it all depends on how long they last and that, but I feel like they're made really well and they're really comfy, so I feel like they'd last many years, I hope. So yeah, this is what they're like on. So yeah, just finished filming the try on portion of them, and as you guys can see, I feel like they're really comfortable, and I'm really happy with them, to be honest. So yeah, definitely feel like they are worth the money. I feel like $75 is a good investment for a pair of trainers that you're going to probably wear day in, day out, and I just feel like these would suit so many different outfits. Like, I could wear it today with a more like girlier kind of vibe. They look good with jeans. You could wear them with a dress, I feel, to cash it down, a skirt, shorts, like anything. I feel like the Vans and the other Converse, they are very versatile, and you can wear them with so many different looks. So yeah, that is my unboxing of the Converse One Star platforms, and yeah, I hope if you are kind of looking to buy these shoes that you did find this video kind of helpful. Also, let me know, you guys, if you did enjoy this unboxing video, and if you are a subscriber to my channel, and yeah, if you want me to do like more videos like this, if you guys have any other recommendations on like clothing or shoe purchase investments and that, I'd love to do more review videos for you guys if you liked it. And yeah, I'll leave a link down below to ASOS where I bought these shoes, and yeah, that is it. Definitely feel like they're a 10 out of 10 for me. I feel like they're really amazing, really nice shoes, and obviously I'm really happy for the cruelty-free element. So if you do like the look of like suede sorts of shoes, they're really nice faux suede. So yeah, definitely would recommend. So that is it for this video, you guys. I will leave links down below to the shoes, to previous videos, and my social networking sites, so make sure you check out the description box down below for links to my social networking sites such as my Snapchat and my Instagram. They're all linked down below. And also, if you are not subscribed already and you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video if you did enjoy it and find it helpful. So yeah, that is it for now. I love you guys so much, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.